To make your tree, you will need a piece of string, an old magazine, and a pair of scissors. First, cut 9 colourful pages from an old magazine. Sort your pages into a pile of 7 and a pile of 2. The 7 pages will be transformed into your branches, and the pile of 2 will make up your tree trunk. Take your first page and fold it into thirds. Then fold in half. Repeat for all your 7 branch pages. From your pile of 2, fold both pages in half. Then take one page and fold it at a diagonal. These will be used later to create your tree trunk. Start by cutting 4 bud shapes into the base of one of your folded branch pages. Then cut straight lines up from your buds, just past the crease line. Repeat with all of your 7 branch pages. Take 4 of your bud cut pages and fold the excess sections up and trim off. When you unfold your page, you should be left with 12 long buds. Take your remaining 3 branch pages and instead of trimming off the excess, cut into pointy shoots. Open your 7 branch pages and cut along the creases to create panels of buds and shoots. Make a pile of 5, 7 and 9 panels, alternating between shoots and buds. Now you will make your longest branch, which will need 9 panels. Insert your string into your first bud wrap. Ensure you keep an L bed in your string. Now wrap a shoot panel around your bud panel, leaving a 3-finger gap. Continue wrapping, alternating between buds and shoots. Once your longest branch of 9 is made, continue with your medium branch of 7 panels and your short branch of 5. Please note you only need string in your longest branch. Now we will wrap your branches into a tree. Take your short and long branch and wrap together with your flat trunk page. Take your diagonal page and wrap halfway, then add your medium branch. When wrapping, ensure a tube is forming at the end of your trunk. Now your tree is wrapped, you need to cut 3 slits into the base of your tree trunk. Bend each flap up and pinch into a point. Poke each pointed flap into the base of your trunk. Now your tree is secure and it won't unravel. Bend open your branches and fluff open your buds and shoots. Well done, you have made your tree.